Hello everyone. Today I will give this old phone cover a complete new look. So let's start. At first, clean the cover carefully and grab some nail polishes. Draw a half circle in one corner. Let it dry for some time and apply second or third coat if necessary. Now I am making some dots with earbuds. As you can see, this phone cover is already black in color. If your phone cover is transparent, you can apply 2 coats of black acrylic color on it. Here I am using the back side of a brush for smaller dots. You can use toothpicks or matchsticks, whatever you have in your home. I have already made another video on transparent phone cover decoration. You can check it out too. I have given the link in description box. You can use as many colors as you want. I will suggest using lighter colors as it will look better on black surface. You can see I am using the back side of a pencil for making bigger dots. If you make any mistake while doing it, just take a nail polish remover, dip a cotton bud in it, and make the corrections anytime. If you have any ideas or suggestions, please let me know in the comment section. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with all your friends so that everyone can see it. If you want to see more such videos, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you can get notifications whenever I upload any video. You can also comment if you have any queries about any of my videos. You can also like my Facebook page and follow me on Instagram. You know, your support means a lot. It's almost complete. Here I am applying the final dots.